So one of the things that I really dislike about my vlogs is that they always start off really fucking long. I always ramble so fucking much in the beginning of the video. So, I'm not gonna do that today. Cars and coffee, Wake Forest, and then Piedmont Drift right after. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I was meaning to make an LS100 update video on where the LS100 is now, but I haven't gotten to that yet. What I'm gonna do now is go to McDonald's and get some coffee and then head to Cayman's house. Got my coffee, my large coffee, you know what I'm saying? Shit's so good, it's delicious in the morning. This would be a lot better if it was Vietnamese coffee because it would make my morning like more worth it to wake up to rather than this because it's all full of sugar, while Vietnamese coffee is just full of crack. So now what I'm doing is I'm waiting for Cayman. I have a feeling that he slept through his alarm because I called him like twice and I texted him and he hasn't responded. And we were supposed to leave 7:45. It's 7:41 right now and he's still not up. Alright, Cayman's finally awake. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head to Cars and Coffee. So I'll see you guys once we're there. Lens is dirty. You guys haven't seen him in the vlog for a while. That's probably because I haven't made a vlog in a long time. Burn! Yeah, Cars and Coffee is pretty packed. We had to park all the way in the back, so I saw a couple of familiar faces while we were trying to find a parking spot over here. Hey, look, there's Jordan. Not Jordan. You guys forgot how it looks like. Oh, hey, look, it's Joe. That's Zach. What up, Joe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Proud of that.
What up, dog?
What's up, dude? How are you?
Got them banners and shit. What's up, Nate?
Gamer gang!
I think this is your first time in the vlog, right?
Yes, it is.
Introduce yourself. What car you drive?
I'm Nate. I drive a 2003 Subaru WRX. It's making 450 horsepower to the wheel.
That's currently broken.
Oh yeah, it needs head gaskets. I'm fixing them today. Chill.
It's gonna be up and running soon. But here's like a little cinematic clip of his car from Import Expo. Here we go. You ready? You can't do that.
Okay.
Oh, that's Marcus.
That's John.
That's Marcus.
No, that's John.
That's Larry John.
That's John in forever. I like the body of it, I just don't like the car.
So is Jeremy Clarkson.
Yeah.
I really want to like it, but then I just don't like it. And you know what? The gas needle isn't even centered. If you look at the gas needle, it's not in the center.
He's like, I got 3/4 of a tank. He's like, are you sure? It's like, wait, no, it's 1/4 of a tank.
John, gonna say something about this V today too.
Oh my god, dude.
CTSD is a good price.
Oh
4-door,
my God.
lot of power. IRS, gamer game.
It is literally the best value for money.
So now you're
I can't put that in the video. The gang of CTSVs here. Just so we can point it out to them and be like, hey, look, it's CTSV. Hey, look, it's Wesley's old car.
We're on the same tire.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
And they were roommates. Why do we always whisper it if the original video wasn't like...
He did whisper it.
He didn't whisper it.
Yes, he did.
He was like, oh my god, they were roommates.
He said, oh my god, those are...
He wasn't like, oh my god, they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates. How do you want me to say? You want me to say, oh my god, they were roommates.
Fitment's tighter than John's pants.
I thought you were gonna say John's.
That's tight.
John's boop.
If this was a life or death situation where where John had to get his pants off in 5 seconds or less, there's no way he's doing that. It's taking him half a minute to get his pants on and off. Got to the point where he needs like a special tool to like spread the legs out so he can get in it. Oh, there he is.
Hey, John.
Hey, man.
Shut the fuck up.
You laugh because you're an idiot. Not because
Like, watch this. I'm gonna go over the speed bump. Oh, boom!
Long neck ass motherfucker.
Pointed out.
Exhibit A,
Yep.
B,
No, I'm sorry about that.
and
That's
C.
what I felt. That's why I clenched my butthole.
I'm sorry I lied on your damage.
Okay.
Well, when I was in college, I was playing shows every other weekend in rehearsal, the studio in between, and all those.
Hey, do you guys see that car? I can't even see it.
What car?
Oh. You can do it, Coy.
I can do it. You can do it.
Yeah.
Scream out.
Damn.
Guys, Cayman's.
Hey, you want to go for a ride?
Yo, Cayman's got new wheels coming soon.
Hey, Cayman, this is a sick ass Audi, dude. You want to go for a ride?
Let's go for a ride.
Let's go.
Hey, you wanna go for a ride?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Alright, everyone, just passenger seat.
Over the. Damn, Cayman, that's a sick ass Subaru. You want to go for a ride?
Let's go for a ride.
Let's go. Damn, Cayman, that's a sick ass thingy. You want to go for a ride?
Walking around,
Let's go for a ride.
Let's go. Cayman, that's a sick ass Accord, man.
That's John.
You want to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Damn, dude, this is a sick fucking Mazda 6. You want to go for a ride? You want to go for a ride?
All right, let's go for a ride.
All right, let's go.
My keys work.
Damn, this is a cool Fiesta ST. Cayman, you want to go for a ride?
Let's go for a ride.
Yeah, let's go.
Fuck is that?
It's my vlog camera.
The what?
My vlog camera.
Word.
Right here.
What's up, blog camera?
Hey vlog
Ow. You're ow. Hit me with your bit.
Alright, so Cars and Coffee is done. It was packed, it was full. I basically spent the entire time talking to people because, you know, I haven't seen Matt in such a long time. I think the last time he was in the vlog was the first time I actually started vlogging at Cars and Coffee Mooresville. So it's almost 11, so it's time to go to Piedmont. But first I gotta stop by Zal's shop and pick up his jack because he left it there. Let's go to Piedmont.
We made it. I made it to Piedmont. Hey, Felipe.
Found me.
There's Zal. What up, Zal? With his new whip. JZX81. JZX81 Mark II.
What?
Kill it out there, cuz. Yeah. The drive wasn't too bad. I'm like really tired now. I really don't want to do anything. But I really want to make an awesome video for you guys. So what you go watch now is the cinematic. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I think I've been shooting for like 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever. Still with Felipe. And I met over with Ron. Hey, Ron.
Hey.
There's a camera.
Oh, shoot.
Look at, Ron hates it whenever he's in front of the camera. That's why he always takes pictures of him.
That? No, because I don't think that might be worse, actually.
I don't think that'll work either.
Just stay in the car. She's driving.
Load up the car and you can't open the door. This is a vlog camera.
Do you trust me?
Bro, it looks like one of them fucking dash cams.
Fucking Dale Earnhardt.
Oh, for Dad! Duke's a hazard, brother. Oh, there, Bo. Got you there, Bo. Like, I don't see the square headlights. Where'd you go?
I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm still working on the big ass vlog from 2017. But yeah, stay tuned for more content. If you're somebody that's new and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe to me. I'm going to be vlogging a lot more this year. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.